Hi everyone, today I'd like to show you Korean spice fried chicken. We call it 양념치킨. In 1970, Korea, we had some economic crisis, so many people started business, this business, so economic rebuild. So it's a very delicious and popular dish. So should we start? I bought 1 kilograms leg chicken. So I like to boil about 10 minutes. About 200 milliliter milk and pouring, and 100 milliliter water. Just boil about 10 minutes. 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Then sea salt, 1 tablespoon. Then boil 10 minutes. So I'm going to do some timing. Actually, lady, she does actually. You are right, you know. So boil the milk and the water about 10 minutes. Then I wash it very thoroughly, and also I dry it very thoroughly. So 1 half teaspoon pinch salt, then half teaspoon pepper, then 1/3 cups potato stretch, just put like that. And also I use tempura powder, about 1/3 cups. It's the same amount, equal amount, potato flour and tempura flour. So I'm going to mix. So I will do a second batch, so more crispy. So I'm going to ready for the sauce. So 3 tablespoons soya sauce, and 4 tablespoons water, 1 tablespoon for the Korean chili paste, gochujang, and 2 tablespoons chili powder, and 2 tablespoons sugar, little half teaspoon pepper, white pepper, and I like tomato puree, 2 tablespoons. Very healthy food. So I think I try encourage to use this ingredient, and also use some 3 tablespoons Korean rice syrup. But I'll show you how to, like, you know, that's I bought the Korean shopping center. And that's a 3 tablespoons rice syrup. It's a natural ingredient. Sometimes I use honey, but today I like to just use Korean rice syrup to have a change. Then 2 tablespoons mirin, cooking wine. Then I just mixing all together. That is sauce is done. So 3 tablespoons cooking oil. 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Then 10 garlic cloves. So nice and garlicky smell. And stir a little bit. Then I put which I just salt to sprinkle sesame seeds into there. And next one, sesame seed, some spring onion, and some finely crushed peanuts and some pepper with. It's beautiful. It's all done. So today we made Korean spicy fried chicken. I hope you enjoy this recipe too with your family. See you next time. Bye.